Finally, we come to switches. Switches are a combination of all the features of the previous three devices: repeaters, bridges, and routers. The switch changed networking because, with improvements in technology, it was no longer required to purchase three different boxes for three different tasks. Switches do it all. Switches are a chassis, which means a box into which you can plug various logic boards that allow users to install almost any hardware or software components they need. Additionally, they can always go back and change the submodules or reconfigure the chassis. Today, you can use a switch as an Ethernet repeater. Next month, you can reconfigure it as a token ring bridge. A few months later, you can change your mind again and make it an Ethernet and token ring router. The ability to mix and match capabilities is its greatest advantage. In a single box, you can mix repeating, bridging, routing, Ethernet, token ring, FDDI, ATM, wide area connectivity, and on and on. All networking vendors make switches today, all with different capabilities, advantages, and disadvantages. The common factor is that these switches do today what used to take three separate boxes to perform. And, just as you might suspect, we'll devote a lesson to switching a little later as well. However, for the remainder of these lessons, I will refer to all networking equipment as switches, unless a specific distinction is required.